Wow, my gosh, it's the 22nd of December, so few sleeps to go. Let's see what's behind our Lego Friends Advent Calendar door. It's a Christmas tree. I was wondering when we were going to get our Christmas tree for the Friends calendar, because we've already got the one for the Disney Princess one. This is an entirely different build. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so cute. So we've got, this should be pretty simple. So we've got a little crisscross down the bottom, and then we got the stump. The stump, do we call it? The trunk. And then this is nice and easy. Look at that. This was way too easy. It's done too fast. The Christmas tree's done. Oh my gosh. And you can pop it into the Christmas setup here in the lounge room. Nice and easily. We can move it around. No decorations on it though. So I think that's, well, there's nowhere to actually decorate it. Oh, come on, stand up, Jonathan. So maybe we'll just have to pretend that they're gonna put decorations on it. All right, door 22 of the Disney Princess Advent Calendar. What did we have yesterday? We had the side bit of the Cinderella castle. This just gives it away as to what it is, definitely. That's good. This is what it is. Wow, this is a big bag. There's some big pieces in this for the arch. So this is going to be the middle part, the middle archway. This is very fun. We've never had miniature versions of the princess castles. And these are so few pieces, but it's definitely easy to recognize what they are. So this bit goes here. We've got that, yeah. So that bit's going to clip into the bit we made yesterday. We've got some forward-facing studs to add stuff on. But the important part that helps us recognize what's happening is that bit up here on the top where we have got the clock, the little miniature version of the clock, which is just ticking close to midnight there. And these have got a little bit of Christmas cheer, a bit of red and green to go on the front, so that Cinderella's castle is decked out for Christmas. Okay, this clips in over here. There we go. So we are building this bit by bit. That's really cool. All right, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Oh my goodness, so close. See you then.